welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make pineapple cake. A very delicious recipe and it's going to be a treat for all the pineapple lovers. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, crack in 2 eggs. Beat it well with a fork until it turns nice and fluffy. Now the eggs are nicely done, so go ahead and add half cup of sugar and mix it well until the sugar is completely dissolved. Now the sugar is completely dissolved, so go ahead and add quarter cup of melted butter. You can substitute this with regular cooking oil. Then to this add 1 cup of pineapple puree. I am going with 2 half cups. This is puree of 1 medium sized pineapple. Mix it well. Then to this add 1 cup of all-purpose flour or Maida, a teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of pineapple essence and few drops of yellow food color. This is optional. You can skip this step if you prefer not using food color. Mix all the ingredients well and make sure the batter is lump free. Now we have a smooth batter. Now our pineapple cake batter is ready. I'm ready with a lined loaf pan. Transfer the cake batter to it. Spread it evenly and tap it twice to release the air bubbles. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake for 50 minutes. Now our cake is ready. You can enjoy it right away. Very soft and a delicious cake recipe. So do try this pineapple cake recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you liked this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.